Hi, my name is Bartek Buczkowski. I am the Department Education Lead and the Quality, Diversity and Inclusion Lead in the Department of Health Professions. The work on awarding gaps and decolonizing curriculum is on the interface of both my roles. And it's something that I am deeply passionate about because it is about ensuring that all students are included in success. So, work on awarding gaps is not just about student experience, but also social justice. In order to address Black and minority ethnic awarding gaps across the Department of Health Professions, I designed and operationalized a strategic, evidence based, or data led approach aimed at all levels of the department, as start of culture change really needs to happen at as many levels as possible. I started the awarding gaps work by liaising with faculty strategic planning office to collate and analyze the good honors data at program and unit level. Providing program leads with the data on their programs and units that contribute to their programs empowered program leads to have conversations about awarding gaps with their teams. Also, to support those wider conversations about awarding gaps in the department, I organized an Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Away Day with the purpose to raise the awareness of the size of Black and minority ethnic awarding gaps in our department and the timescale that Office for Students gave the universities in the UK to close the gaps. The idea behind this away day was to facilitate colleagues' reflection on origin of awarding gaps and gathering ideas on what actions we could take as unit leads, unit teams, program teams to help tackle the issue. In preparation for the away day, I was working with colleagues from across the faculty, utilizing their experience on tackling awarding gaps, colleagues from university, teaching academy, and library to create structure and support for these conversations. Following the away day, I worked with the department senior leadership group to ensure that the awarding gaps and decolonizing curriculum objectives were incorporated into the PDR process. And to offer support to PDR managers, I developed the PDR information sheet of frequently asked questions. For the current academic year, I'm planning a series of events that progress the work on awarding gaps, that facilitate planning and operationalizing individual, program, and unit level actions based on PDR feedback, as well as including awarding gap and decolonizing in quality assurance processes such as verification and moderation of assessments and peer observation of teaching.